guys, this is Yash Adulkar from Mumbai. It's a small topic that I'll be covering. So this is a small topic that I'll be covering, named as localization and remote config. So does anybody know what does localization mean? Any ideas? अच्छा, आप लोगों को बहुत लोगों को पता है. यहाँ पे गुजराती लोग कितने हैं? अहमदाबाद है भाई, पूरा गुजराती क्राउड रहेगा. कोई मारवाड़ी है? मारवाड़ी, सिंधी, तमिल, तेलुगु, मराठी. इंडिया है. इंडिया is full of language. India country is full of language. And that's where अगर आपका कोई application है, by the way, English preferable or Hindi? Both. Let's try with English a bit better. Please कोई मानना मत है, English बेट लोगे. थोड़ा सा मान लेना, it's my first time. Yeah. So, sorry. Marathi man chale. Nice. So localization. So what is localization? Now localization is the process of adapting of application or content to meet the language, cultural and regional preferences of a specific target audience. दिमाग के ऊपर से चला गया मेरे. In simple language, if you say, that means localization, that is based on your user needs, your user expertise. You change your app content, app styling, like basically you can say complete app. I'll be talking towards the language translation part. When I came to the stage, I asked you guys, what is your mother tongue? What is your language? Some said Gujarati, some said Marathi, some said Hindi, right? But the biggest issue that we guys face, like especially my family face, who is not so much literate, यहाँ पर सभी पढ़े लिखे मिनिमम इंजीनियरिंग ग्रेजुएट्स होते हैं. मेरी फैमिली में नहीं पढ़े लिखे. And the biggest issue that they face is language. उनको आती है भाई प्योर मराठी, वो भी मुश्किल से पढ़ने को मिल गया तो उसके बिना कुछ भी नहीं. When such people face these kind of problems, कि मराठी आती है, हमको तो सिर्फ गुजराती आती है, हमको बिहारी आती है, उसके अलावा कुछ भी नहीं आता, then what do you do? What does a developer do? Our developers generally have a simple solution. सर, हमारा ऐप इंग्लिश में रहेगा, आपको आना है करो, नहीं तो मत करो. Which is a simple solution for developers, right? But that is not a solution for business. You sat with Ayush for half an hour, 1 hour, and you must have understood that a developer's perspective and a business perspective is completely different. And today's as a startup track and a mobile track, you also need to understand that you are working for somebody, whether it be your customers, whether it be people, whether it be a boss, whether it be somebody else. And everybody just have one goal, that is to satisfy your customer, to satisfy your customer needs. And that is where language translation comes. No single application, no single website, no single software, anything will work in a certain single language. You have to change it based on your customer's needs, customers' solutions, customer problems. Second comes local regulations. Ensuring an app complies with local laws such as privacy law, content restrictions. You guys have seen YouTube, right? Most of you guys, I believe, some must have YouTube channel. जब कोविड आ गया था, हर कोई आ गया था यूट्यूब पे बैठने के लिए कि चलो हम एक यूट्यूब चैनल खोलते हैं. And 90% of people get copyright restrictions, this restrictions, those restrictions. And when you're trying to sell the application, for example, the biggest application is liquor. Gujarat is a dry state, liquor is banned. You cannot sell liquor in Gujarat, right? But that is something you can sell in Mumbai. So these kind of local laws you have to follow. You have to change your application requirements based on the local laws that are going in your state, in your city, in your district. And accordingly you have to change. User experience. Create a smooth and intuitive user experience that feels natural to the user based on region. Now let's come to the previous problem that my family has. That is, they don't understand any language other than Marathi while reading. बोलते वक्त उनको हिंदी समझ में आता है, but English में नहीं समझ में आता. Now what does my 60-year-old grandma will do? I cannot teach her English, right? I cannot like, Aji, ye bas na mitra English sikho de, A for apple, B for ball. This is something I cannot do with her. So I'll do with her. That is where your localization comes, that is improve your user experience. You cannot teach your user as to how to use the application, but you can teach your application that is how to change yourself based on your user requirements. And that is why we have developers. We don't have Flutter developers, we don't have Java developers, but we have developers who solve problems. So that is where the solution comes. Does anybody know what this file is? JSON फाइल, that's correct. किसको इतना बड़ा फाइल लिखने में अच्छा लगता है? Has anybody wrote this kind of huge file? Generally it takes 1 hour, 2 hours. कभी नहीं लगता ना सर अच्छा, सर का रिस्पॉन्स से पहले आ गया. So nobody likes to write this kind of huge files. And I don't think so anybody who's standing over here, right, or sitting over here. But when you're trying to use localization, this is something you have to write. You have to work with key value pairs. For example, even with hello word, a simple hello. That's, I think in Spain say as hola, Gujarati mein namaste, kem cho bhai, majama, all these words come up, right? For example, how are you? Kem cho. Tu kaisa aayes? Aap kaise ho? How are you? What you're doing? इतने सारे अलग languages में आपके words change होते हैं. And you cannot write for each and every language, each and every word. Neither do you want to increase the chunk size of your application. Neither do you want a developer to spend hours and hours, days and days, months and months just sitting and writing a simple JSON file. Nobody wants this. That is where we can use an AI method known as translation service. First of all, just scrap this part and then you can use the translation service. What you can do over here is basically this kind of translation service is provided by Google Cloud. Google Cloud asks you is that you write your text in a simple HTTP. You use the language that you want to use, whether it be an English language, whether it is Spain, or whether it be any language, with just a simple header, and your work is done. You can take a photo of this code. I'll be sharing the slides on YouTube and other channels also received by DevFest Ahmedabad. So you won't need to take the screenshot. It's better if you take this photo. This code helps you just to translate any language in a simple method. Is it done? Guys, please give a response. Is it done? Nice. So I've also used a Postman to show you what does it do, how does it do. This is an API key. I'll be disabling it by tomorrow, so if developers want to use it today, they can use it. कल से ये API की मिलेगा नहीं, you will have to create on your own. मैं गुजराती हूँ, मैं थोड़ा मराठी, थोड़ा पैसा बचाता हूँ. आप लोग जैसा भी थोड़ा सा. So over here, if you can see, in Q, that is the query text. You just have to write the text that you have to present. Your hello, how are you, whichever text you want to send. You can use the target, that which language do you want to show. Now, ES comes for Spain, that is the Spanish language. In the response itself, you get your test as to what is the translated text and what is the detected language that you have shared. You don't need to mention which language you are sharing. This helps you out is because if you are using this application in a village of Maharashtra, somebody is putting a text in chat, or whether it be asking a query to your application. For example, right now ChatGPT, Gemini API is coming. But there are some restrictions to the language as well for them. So there also somebody can build an application and help them out. Now, after the localization, the second comes is remote config. Does everybody use Instagram over here? कितने लोग यहाँ पे Instagram यूज करते हैं? Everyone, right? किसी को कभी ऐसा फील हुआ है कि भाई तेरे फोन में अपडेट आ गया लेकिन मेरे फोन में नहीं आया? ऐसा क्यों हुआ? तेरे फोन में तो फीचर आ गया ये, मेरे फोन में नहीं दिखा रहा. मेरा फोन पुराना हो गया, मेरा फोन खराब हो गया, मेरा लोकल रीजन खराब हो गया. Right? We everybody face that situation. Now, most of the situations are done using remote config. Now, what does remote config does? How does it does? And why does it do? Is anybody a startup owner over here? Anybody a startup owner, entrepreneur? Does anybody is a product owner, product manager? I'm pretty sure आप सब ने कोई ना कोई तो product बनाया रहेगा अपने life में. Well, you have been journeying in your engineering life, in your job career, correct? When you're building a product, you must have used multiple features. But do you know will those features work for your audience or not? Do you think just putting up a high user will work for your audience or not? Putting up a red color in your application will work for your audience or not? Putting up a complete story, like story feature, if you must have seen, LinkedIn had the story feature, Twitter had the story feature, Instagram had a story feature. They disabled it for some time, then they re-enabled it. They enabled it for a specific region, for specific people, for a certain amount of people. For example, if I'm pretty sure there are at least 100 people over here, but in Instagram, if you must have seen, the story feature might have come just to 25 people. Then the company analyzes it as to do I need this feature? Will this feature work on my audience? Will this feature work on the Indian audience? And then they release it to other people as well. This is where remote config works. If I want to build an application, what I will do is that I'll use the remote config to provide you a certain feature for some time and then change it. The second point is important, guys. That's the reason I put it on bold. That is works in key value pair. All the features that works with Firebase remote config works in key value pairs. This is something you will learn one slide later. So let's shift before that. That is to why remote config. Now Instagram का as we were discussing, तेरे पास feature है मेरे पास नहीं आया. But has anybody also felt that कि ये feature तेरे पास आ तो गया लेकिन तूने ऐप को update ही नहीं किया? My app is on latest version. Still I don't get that feature. That is because remote config doesn't need any app update. You make a change in remote config, you don't need the user to even update your application or anything. In less than 1 hour, that feature, that change will reach to your user without any interruptions. That is first. Second is increased flexibility. Adjust features, experiments or content based on the user feedback and analytics. Now what we want is, supposedly Gujarati people, सबसे favorite food, khakra, dhokla, Gujarati food, right? We Marathi people like Marathi food. That is the flexibility that I can give with respect to e-commerce products that if I'm in Maharashtra, I will show those kind of products more, and if I'm in Gujarat, I will show those kind of products a lot. Third comes is improved user experience as to how your user experience will improve based on the feature requirements. Supposedly, if you put up a feature of developers, for example, most of you guys are looking for a job. 90% people, I believe. What if you guys all are for developers and I provide you a job of React Native development? Do you think you will even revisit that application? Who is giving me a job of some different technology, but not my technology? But what if you all are just learning Flutter? I come to know using my analysis and I provide you all the Flutter development internships. Does that work? So that is it. Now guys, since we have a bit of less time shortage, so I'll try to move on a bit faster. The second comes is how does remote config works? What are the operations? First of all, you have to go to Firebase console, select whatever project that you're working in and go into remote config section. You can create your own, what do you call that, variables. For example, if you see over here, there are 3 variables. We'll work on the second last and last one. If you can see the last one, it is welcome underscore message over here in bold. The same goes over here. Welcome underscore message. That is the biggest pain point, I will say, and the main feature for the remote config. That is, whenever you are using the variable names, that has to be properly copy pasted. If it is the E is missing, even in message, or a S is missing in message, that won't connect. So that is something when you're trying to work in remote config, you have to keep in mind. That is writing the variables properly and giving it the values. The second point is feature enabled. That is a boolean value. That is something I can use in my application. Is for example, if I have to show an app bar or not. So what I can do is that I can just put up is feature enabled as true. My app bar, my feature will start showing on the application. If I haven't set it false, I don't need to show it anywhere. So since we are running a bit late, I won't be able to show you a demo. If we had extra time, we would have shown you a proper demo for a mobile application that works with remote config. And this is the remote config code function that works in Flutter. What you have to do is that you just have to call with a single line, that is remote config service dot get welcome message. Now what does welcome message does is that if you can see on your last screen over here, remote config with welcome message, it will call the values that are present over there, and based on the values you can show which color, which style, which text, which feature, which structure that you have to use in your application. If you guys like this session, please start donating, guys. This will help us in the charity. You guys must have seen this in the keynote session. So, and by the way, it showed us feedback. How was the session until now? Do you guys liked it? Do you guys have a production knowledge? So if you guys liked it, अगर आपको session पसंद आया, then what do? A small introduction of my marketing as well. इधर आया हूँ, कुछ तो बेच के जाऊँगा. So, I generally said that is my brand, Yash Adulkar. What I do over here is that it is a free of cost, it's a complete free service. It's just that if you ever need, I am basically an entrepreneur. I have my 2 agencies, software development marketing, and I also work as a developer at ICICI Prudential AMC Private Limited. So I have a huge 9 years of experience in product development, business development, career counseling. So if you ever need your help in your career development or Flutter, whether it be React or any tech language, that is somewhere you can connect with me on cal.com. I'll suggest you guys take a photo of it. So if you ever want to connect with me in future in any way possible, you can connect with me. The second as for marketing is, are you guys done? Second is, थोड़ा सा इंस्टा फॉलोअर बढ़ाने का ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. I'm trying to increase my community family through my Instagram as well. So this is my Instagram family. Well guys, I hope you like this session until now, and now I would like to call one of my great friends from Mumbai who has actually traveled with me for Vertex AI in Flutter, Mr. Prashant R. Dalai. Please give a huge round of applause, guys.
So we will be covering today आपका localization, remote config and Vertex AI with Flutter. Gemini AI किसी ने सुना है पहले? Vertex AI? Okay. But मेरा ऐसा है ना कि अगर हम लोग किधर जा रहे हैं तो पर्सनलाइजेशन होना चाहिए. ओके तो ठीक है, मतलब इतने सारे टॉक्स हुए अभी, है ना, ठीक है, सब ठीक है, मतलब थोड़ा सा कुछ तो एक्टिविटी होनी चाहिए ना, टेक्निकल थोड़ा साइड रख के. तो मैंने आपके लिए छोटा सा प्लान किया है. ओके तो यहाँ पर जो नहीं है, everyone should record and show them what they have missed. तो सेकेंड स्लाइड में आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू डांस नहीं करना है, बस खड़े हो जाओ सब लोग. ओके व्हाट वी विल डू 1 2 3 स्टैंड. ओके प्लीज प्लीज So far Yash have covered localization, remote config, and I will be covering Vertex AI and Flutter. Okay, Garba lights, nice. So let's begin. My name is Prashant R. Dalai. I am a SDE2 is missing, but yeah, I am SDE2 at Direction Software LLP Mumbai. I'm also organizer at Flutter Flow Developer Group Mumbai. Then I am exploring Flutter like to the next. So far I have created, how many of you have aware that we can make watch application also for Samsung Watch for iOS. So yeah, I have made in GTO Flutter extended Ahmedabad only. So that was it. So I am exploring Flutter end to end, not just iOS and Android application. So yeah, if in case someone is creating something like this, we can connect as well. So surprise, acha. I have brought something for you as well. How many of you love Dash? सोचो यहाँ पे अगर हम लोग एक डैश दे दें, वो वाला नहीं है, it's more often like exclusive. Okay, दर्शन वो बॉक्स है. ओके सो सब लोग को इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है कि डैश मिलने वाला है. ओके उसके लिए मैं ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं करवा रहा आप लोगों से. ओके सो हियर वी गो. आई होप ये इतना ही कर पाया ना, बिकॉज ऑफिशियली वी कैन हैव इट. क्यूट लग रहा है? क्यूट डैश है. सो ये आप लोग को किसी को एक को मिलेगा फॉर श्योर, एंड इट्स अ रेजिन हैंड पेंटेड. ओके एंड या यू विल just need to tweet it. That's it. Flutter what they have hashtag, right? We have DevFest AHM. Okay, same tweet करना है, just what you are learning from this. Okay, and after this all last में we will have it one winner for sure. ये in this talk only. Okay, and also I have something extra for you from Flutter Flow AR like tag. I will explain what is this later on. But yeah, and also for that particular thing, for Flutter AR, you just have to key what we are playing here. Okay, so in this slides, somewhere or the other, you will see Flutter Flow ka logo. Okay, in these slides, I will be playing आगे के इसमें. Okay, so you just need to hands up, okay, and Flutter Flow चिल्लाना है. Okay, जब भी आपको दिखेगा. Okay, फटाक से हैंड रेस करके Flutter Flow. जिसने पहले ये कर दिया, he will be the winner. Sure. Okay, cool. Understand? So yeah. So let's start introduction to Flutter. How many of you are very new or कभी सुना ही नहीं है Flutter? सबने सुन रखा है? अच्छा, सब किस को पता है Flutter क्या है? Wow, great on this. So again, still एक छोटा सा cover up कर लेते हैं. Flutter is an open source UI toolkit by so builds natively compile application for mobile, web and desktop. But ATM machine किसने सुन रखा है? You can create for that as well. And we have someone here in audience, I have just noticed, who have created beautiful application for a TV application. Stage किसने नाम सुन रखा है? Stage Shark Tank 4 billion something. So yes. So stage जो ये है वो TV. तो you can create TV application as well. So it's not limited to mobile, web and desktop, but we can create on any screen for in Flutter. Okay. Obviously, it utilizes a single code base for all and for 7 platforms so far, I guess. And yeah, you can create for that in Flutter. So okay, again AI, Vertex AI. So Vertex AI is nothing but a tool or AI API key which you can utilize to control the responses from AI. Okay, how many of you are using ChatGPT? जो जिसने हाथ खड़ा नहीं किया वो झूठ बोलता है. Simple as that. Okay. So Vertex, so you can control your responses, what you are getting while you are using Gemini or any kind of LLM. Okay. So it provides API for leading foundation models. Okay, and tools to rapidly prototype lots of things in and around you can do. But I can see lots of people are going for lunch. Okay, so in between, just आपको किसी को भी जाना है तो please पीछे से चले जाइएगा. But because see, I can't see people going from this. Okay, I will wrap up as soon as possible. Anyway, okay, so easily tune models with your own data and seamlessly deploy to applications. How many of you have heard of Gemini AI का कोई application अभी तक market में launch हो रखा है? किसी ने सुन रखा है? But let me tell you one thing. You are using lots of things built on this platform, but you are not aware of this. Okay. Also, I will be showing you something as an demo in future slides. Okay. And you will be surprised what Gemini can do. Okay. And the Vertex AI is the extensive version of that particular thing only. And I have used in an application where you can use for like daily lives. Okay. So key capabilities of Vertex AI is training, deployment, then scaling ML model. Okay. तो अगर आपने कोई चीज़ बना रखी है, okay, अगर आप उसको स्केल ही नहीं करोगे, आप मिलियन आयुष उन्होंने पहले कवर कर रखा है कि अगर आप किसी के काम ही नहीं आ रहे हो, आपका एप्लीकेशन किसी का काम ही नहीं आ रहा है, तो बना के मतलब ही क्या है, right? So you have to scale like application for $1 million like business as well and for users as well. It depends on one by one, right? Benefits of simplified ML workflow, low cost and high scalability. Why we are using Vertex AI basically. And combining Vertex AI and Flutter, in short, we are using AI plus Flutter in this particular recommendation engine or AR based. अच्छा AR किसने सुन रखा है? Augmented reality. अब हाथ खड़े रखना ओके 1 मिनट के लिए बस स्नैपचैट कौन कौन यूज करता है? ओके सो जो जिसने AR सुन रखा है तो या फिर स्नैपचैट आप अगर यूज कर रहे हो तो इट्स बेसिकली AR ओनली ओके सो या filters and everything are AR okay augmented reality so okay I will be showing you something around this okay just keep in mind these things okay okay what types of data we have in Vertex AI what you can use for as in data to train upon right what types of data we have image data okay how many of you have heard वीडियो का अलग होता है कोई इस पर डिबेट करना चाहे मेरे साथ ओके सो बेसिकली वीडियो इज नथिंग बट फ्रेम्स पर सेकंड इमेजेस कंटिन्यूअसली 120 fps आपने सुन रखा होगा गेमिंग जब करते हैं राइट सो इट्स बेसिकली वीडियो इज नथिंग बट द इमेजेस ओके सो वी हैव टेक्स्ट डेटा टेबुलर डेटा ओके MySQL डेवलपर्स टेबुलर डेटा सुना होगा MySQL कोई नहीं यूज कर रहा है अच्छा यार अच्छा यहाँ पे प्रोफेशनल कितने हैं ओके अच्छा तो अच्छा ये पूरा फ्लटर अच्छा हम लोग फ्रंट एंड वाले हैं ना ओके तो आप लोग फिर वो बैक एंड वाला देखेगा कुछ भी 500 एरर आया वो पीछे वाला सीधे टेंशन ही नहीं करते ऐसा लग रहा है हाँ बड़बड़ थे यार लंच बाहर खाने कोई पहचान है आगे सलमान खान सॉरी वो अश्नी ग्रोवर हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू गेट द जोक नहीं करो ताली बजाओ सब लोग बजाओ ओके सो मेरा खून खोल रहा है गुड क्या है सो yeah here audio here is my application by the way basically what we are audio कम कर दो okay so basically what we are doing here is this is peanut butter of some brand so recently बहुत सारा मैंने देखा कि lots of products आपने वो गाना भी सुना right I don't want to explain that कि वो क्या चल रहा है campaign right so बहुत सारी मिलावटें हो रही है but at the end of the day we have to make sure what our health और हम क्या खा रहे हैं right so it will be soon launching on Play Store and App Store as in Flutter developer है so and it will be helpful for helpful है मुझे पता है कि ऐसे बहुत सारे एप्लीकेशन है but Flutter में बनी है क्या So we will be launching it soon and it will be free for 1 month for sure and then we can figure it out the things but yeah किसको लग रहा है मुझे launch करना चाहिए okay so इतने लोग ने को धन्यवाद जनामुच्छो right I'm trying कल से ही right गुजराती second version it will be having AR version as well as a mother I have thought of कि अगर कोई मदर अपने बच्चे के लिए शॉपिंग करने जा रही है राइट सो शी शुड हैव दैट प्रोफाइल सिलेक्टेड उसके उनके बच्चे को कुछ है मतलब जैसे किसी बच्चे को रहता है कि बॉर्न से एलर्जी समथिंग रहता है या नहीं ये रहता है राइट तो जब आप प्रोफाइल सिलेक्ट करते हो और आप मार्ट में आपने एंटर करा ओके तो जब आप ये सामने लेके आते हो इट विल हाईलाइट देन एंड देयर रेड येलो एंड ग्रीन You got that idea? Okay. How you find it? मैं बस सामने एक सर्वे कर रहा हूँ. Okay. It will be good. Within 3 seconds you can like take a decision, right? Decision making within 3 seconds. So I have that target and that will be version 2 because I have to figure out and yeah version 1 में this will be launching soon. Okay. This was a demo and I wanted to show this demo just because you should create something out of the box, right? हम लोग यहाँ पर चांद जाने की बात कर रहे हैं ओके बट यहाँ पर टेक्निकल और बहुत सारी चीज़ें लाइक आपकी सराउंड में आप सॉल्व नहीं कर रहे हो तो यू शुड केयर अबाउट योर सराउंडिंग प्रॉब्लम फर्स्ट राइट फर्स्ट वर्ल्ड प्रॉब्लम ओके सो लेट्स सी हाउ वी कैन सॉल्व इट बाय टेक्निकल अगेन technical architecture Vertex AI is handling ML model training deployment okay API services What Flutter is an यहाँ पर जो एप्लीकेशन मैंने शो किया उसका मैं पूरा डिटेल में बता रहा हूँ, so you can create your own things. Flutter is an UI सामने फ्रंट एंड वाला, right? API communication between Flutter and Vertex AI to fetch personalized data. That was a architecture. Machine learning of workflow in Vertex AI. Let's go through फटाफट. Okay, जिसको भी ये मतलब थोड़ा मेन टॉपिक है. Okay, let's go through as soon as possible. So first step is data preparation. Okay, डेटा प्रिपेयर करना है हम लोग को किस पे मतलब यहाँ पर मैंने क्या डेटा प्रिपेयर करा, जैसे कि इंग्रेडिएंट्स से, राइट? तो यहाँ पर हम लोग को प्रिपेयर करना है. डेटा प्रिपरेशन इज नथिंग बट डेटा ट्रेनिंग के लिए हम लोग को क्लीनिंग करनी होती है. सेकंड इज मॉडल ट्रेनिंग, ओके, यूजिंग वर्टेक्स एआई's Scala infrastructure. Third will be model evaluation and iteration, कट हो चुका है. But here we have staging the model and fine tuning, improving. Okay, तो यहाँ पर पहले मतलब मैंने थोड़ा improve भी करा, वो ingredient के नाम पे कुछ भी दे रहा था. पता है ना, कभी कभी चैट जीपीटी में भी आता है, बस है ना, चैट जीपीटी वाले. So fourth is nothing but model deployment and serving. Deploying the model to serve lifetime रियल टाइम. सॉरी, मैं यहाँ पे टाइमिंग देख रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे पढ़ रहा हूँ. बाय द वे, किसी को नहीं पता हो तो बार बार हम लोग को टाइम फॉलो करना पड़ता है. तो अगेन एज सुन एज पॉसिबल फास्ट रैप अप करते हैं. सर्व रियल टाइम प्रेडिक्शन. ओके, रियल टाइम प्रेडिक्शन इज जो हमने अभी देखा हमारे एप्लीकेशन में. ओके, सो बेसिकली यू कैन टेक अ snap or whatever photo of it. So this is the basic whole idea. Sorry, कौन था क्या, कौन था पहले? ये भाई
शाउट तो मैंने किया.
क्या
शाउट तो मैंने किया.
ठीक है ना, हमारे पास दो है ना. ओके, सो या फ्लटर फ्लो तो हो गया, बट अभी यहाँ पर आते हैं. ये इसका भी आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले ले, जो मैंने अब तक बताया उसका समय नहीं था. ओके, फ्यूचर ऑफ पर्सनलाइजेशन विथ एआई. ओके, तो क्या हो सकता है फ्यूचर में? ये कुछ कोई पहचान रहा है यहाँ पे कुछ? ये कुछ गुजराती डिश है, पहचान नहीं आ रही? ओके, सो दिस इज बेसिकली आई वांट टू हाईलाइट इवोल्यूशन ऑफ एआई पर्सनलाइजेशन. अच्छा, भूख लगने लगी क्या? मैं गलत चीज दिखा दिया गलत टाइम पे ना, मेरे को भी भूख लग रही है. ठीक है, लेट्स 2-3 स्लाइड्स था. ओके, इवोल्यूशन किस तरीके से हो रहा है? रोल ऑफ इमर्जिंग टेक्नोलॉजीज, AR VR, रियल टाइम एनालिटिक्स, द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ एथिकल AI इन पर्सनलाइज्ड एक्सपीरियंस. तो यू शुड केयर वेयर यू आर डूइंग थिंग्स, ओके, एंड व्हाट यू आर डूइंग अभी. तो यू शुड केयर एज एन AI के पार्ट पे भी सिक्योरिटी का. ओके, basically you can take a screenshot of this as well. तो recently Jensen Huang, किसी ने सुन रखा है? NVIDIA CEO. ओके, सो वो उनकी लर्निंग है, मैंने वहाँ से एक समराइज आपके लिए निकाल के लाया. तो वहाँ पे मैं था इन पर्सन. तो क्या कर सकते हैं, और AI से किसी को डर हो तो ये आपके लिए गूगल का फ्री सर्टिफिकेशन है. ओके, इसका आप स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो. ओके, वर्टेक्स AI पे यू कैन हैव इट. इट इज़ बेसिकली फ्री. आपको मॉड्यूल बताए जाएंगे. ओके, वो आप कंप्लीट करते हो तो यू विल गेट अ सर्टिफिकेट एंड यू कैन टैग ऑन लिंक्डइन, या फिर आपको अगर इन बिटवीन में अगर कुछ डाउट आता है तो यू कैन आस्क. ओके, तो फ़ोन ऐसे ऊपर रखना और एक लिंक्डइन पे भी कनेक्ट करते हैं, राइट? थैंक यू अहमदाबाद, एंड I had like best time here, and thank you organizers and team. That's it from my side.